How to change the chain or the blade on a mini electric chainsaw. I'm going to show you just in a minute or two how to do this. It's very easy. You're going to want to do this once you wear these teeth out, on your chain. Most of these come with spare chains. This is particular one is a D-hand. When you order it, it comes with the chain that's on it plus 2 spare chains. So you can sharpen them a few times and then you'll want to change them. So this is a really easy thing to do to change this blade. All we need to do is, first things first, we're just going to take the cover off, which we're going to, on this one, it's going to be this knob here. All of these work pretty similarly. So we're going to take this knob off and take this cover off. And from here, I just want you to notice this little pin bolt here that's sticking in this hole. So keep an eye on that. You can take this cover off if you want, if you have it. It's just an extra step for me. It does need to be out of the way, so I just kind of prop it out of the way like that. So what you're going to do is this whole mechanism will just pop off. So then what you'll do, you're just going to take the old chain off, and you're going to come in with your new chain, and you're just going to make sure that these guide teeth fit in here like this. All right. Now, another thing that you're going to want to do is, so this little bolt here is a tensioner. So it'll make it easier. You don't necessarily have to do this, but just a tip to make it easier to put it on. I'm going to loosen this up. So on this one, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to turn this counterclockwise. And I don't know if you notice this bolt is moving this way. So it's just loosening everything up, and it's going to make everything easier to put back on. So once I do that, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to make sure that I've got a couple things here. I'm going to make sure this bolt's in the middle. I'll make sure my chain is sitting in the grooves on the bar and that it's coming around this star right here. And then the last thing I need to check to make sure is that this pin is coming through this hole. Once all of that is done, then I can come in here and put my cover back on. Now my chain is on, but as you noticed, I loosened it up to make it easier to put back on. So I'll show you. It's actually not that bad, but it's a little too loose now. So what I want to do is actually, before I completely tighten this cover, I'm going to leave this cover just slightly loose. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to turn this tightening screw back, like maybe a half a turn or a turn, till I get just the tightness that I want on this chain. Tighten everything down, and now I'm done.